This chapter explains how to use a trigger event to start and stop a line drawing. Find the brush controller and open its script in Visual Studio. In the onEnable method, we subscribe to the interaction source pressed and released events. When we receive the interaction source pressed event, we start drawing. In the draw over time method, we get the position of the tip. Then, it creates a new brush stroke by instantiating a new stroke prefab. Points are then drawn as long as the draw property is true. Save your scene back in Unity and then click play. You'll be able to use the trigger button to start and stop a line drawing.